Shwa bangin sedang ya ke khubor, ni kerpa di pi ki nongpek, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, pen yo kloy ki khubor na ke jylla. Ke janmiet jong ke khandai tarik Naiwieng arhajar arpuar Myntri Rangbah ke jylla Meghalaya Conrad Sangma ula pyntip lyngba kilat pathai khubor ba ke jingialang jong ke cabinet ke pynlong mynne ke sngi kala Pdiang ya ke Ordinance ban Pyndam Noh ya ke Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act arhajar arpuwei ya ke ni on sara ha ke Dorbar Thawain ke jylla ynda lapoi ke por ban pynlong ya ka.
So we have not yet got any kind of clarification whether we'll be having any kind of a session. And obviously the mandate is that any kind of ordinance that is passed must be put to the assembly once the assembly sits. So in the next sitting of the assembly, whenever it is, after obviously discussion with the Honourable Speaker, we will put it up in the whenever the next session is. That an ordinance was brought today to the Cabinet to repeal the Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act 2021, and this ordinance today in the Cabinet has been passed.